Hi, it's Shelly and welcome to my channel. What are we doing today? In today's video, we are doing more exploring of the streets of Malacca, enjoying the street art, the local vibe, and finding some great eats. It's what we're doing today. It's time for some domestics. We had this laundromat in our neighborhood, so it was great to catch up on a few domestic details. While the dryer's running, we checked out a local restaurant for a quick bite. Food was delicious, and it was nice to support a small family-run business. More fireworks to enjoy from our Airbnb. This became a nightly show that we grew to enjoy from our balcony. Next day, it's time to hit the streets and grab some food in our neighborhood. The food in Malaysia is diverse and delicious. Still missing our Vietnamese coffee, and we walked a long way to find this little kiosk. It was good, but didn't quite measure up to our new coffee standards. We did enjoy it though. Fueled up with food and coffee, it's time to hit the art streets in Malacca. First up is the Two Horses mural, which was painted to usher in the Chinese New Year in 2018.
So today we're out doing a street art search, and we came early because first of all it's going to get hot and then it's going to get busy. So we're off today on an adventure to see all the street art in Melaka.
The next area is called The Well, and it depicts local life and history. The paintings are a beautiful representation of real daily life. The art is viewed by strolling through alleyways just minutes from the main square. There are so many cool things to see along your journey.
Chorando por uma nova ferida, mas como até que de mato nasce uma flor, muitas vezes é da dor que vem o amor. E o que pensava que era um engano, seus olhos de luz e vejo anjo.
So we're walking along this art street, and it is just one of the coolest places I've ever been. I'm so glad we came early because first of all, like I said before, it's cool, and there's nobody here. It's like we've almost got it to ourselves. It's just absolutely fabulous.
Sorriso que encontrei a paz, alguém que preciso pra não olhar mais pra trás.
Just walking along these little alleyways and finding all kinds of treasures and beauty and just loving that we got here so early, and it's just so nice and quiet. It's like everywhere you look, there's murals. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Leaving the alleys, there are still so many wonderful things to see out on the main streets as well. Art is everywhere, and the riverfront never fails to bring joy and amazement. We just happened along and had an opportunity to see Malacca's firemen in action, keeping the city safe. Wait a minute, what's this? A Vietnamese restaurant? Woo! Banh Mi's and Cafe Moi? Oh yeah, we're in. Cutest little spot, and the coffee and sandwiches did not disappoint. While we love the different cuisines in all of the countries we visited, Vietnam holds our heart in this department. Back on the streets, enjoying the colorful displays for the Chinese New Year celebrations, we stumbled across this cultural museum, which also had a restaurant among the beauty. We also found a little vintage shop which held tons of treasures to discover. Malacca is an amazing city to enjoy on foot. There are so many nooks and crannies to discover. The Butter was a little pastry shop, so of course it was worth a visit for some tasty treats to take home. Taking a wrong turn, we came across these beautiful wooden houses on stilts that were really neat. Wrong turns are always rewarding. The walk back to our Airbnb is about 30 minutes from the main square, and there are always things to see along the way. Next day, we're up and exploring the food hawker center in our neighborhood, and the food was delicious and economical. It was here that we tried laksa, a local dish from Malaysia. There are a number of food carts set up, and we ate here a number of times. Sunset from the balcony, and we're just so grateful to be able to be having this trip of a lifetime adventure. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.